And now, live from Slap Yo Mama Studios, it's the Sarkizzle Show! What's up, y'all? It's the big Sarkizzle in this bitch! And we got a special show for you today. Today, we're gonna take a little trip through Pedro's side of the room. That's right, Pedro's side of the room. First off, let's go visit Pedro's desk. What the hell? Look at this shit. This motherfucker here got shit everywhere. Let's take a look. Pins. Probably stolen from the job. Nice watch. Might have to borrow that later. CD. Hungry ass. Yeah. Look at that. Papers everywhere. Shit. Damn, Pedro. Looks like you're kind of busy. What the hell is this? Let's take a look. Ever heard of organization? Damn. That's a big word. I ain't never heard of that shit before. Maybe Pedro need to find out what it is. Shit. Alright. Let's go on over here to the closet. See what the hell he got up in this bitch. Alright, look, what the hell is this behind me? Looks like a shirt. Just chilling. Way the hell out of here. I wonder what the hell it's doing now. Let's check it out. Look like I got a little note on there. Let's check it out. Air dry or what? Now, if I'm not mistaken, I believe when they moved in here, Pedro said there wasn't gonna be no air drying. I guess he just decided to take things and do it his way. Fuck it. Alright. Next thing we got is laundry. It's laundry basket. Damn. We gotta go over there. Shit. Alright. P.U. That's right. P.U. Let's get the hell up out of here. Shit. Come on. Oh, shit. Damn. That was close. Alright. Now we're gonna move along. Keep the show moving. And take a look at this bed. Let's take a look at this shit. Comfort not made. Pillow all